North India Travel Diary December 2024. The idea of exploring North India had always been a dream, and finally, we decided to make it a reality. With boundless excitement, we started planning a trip that would allow us to cover as many breathtaking destinations as possible within 8 to 10 days. The preparations began with meticulous planning. From booking flights and trains to shopping for essentials, every detail was carefully mapped out under the pre planning phase, which we call Day Zero activities. This step ensured we had a smooth and hassle free experience throughout the journey. This adventure was exclusively for the two of us. Day 1. Journey from Bangalore to Delhi, a day of exploration and faith. Our adventure began in Bangalore late at night as we headed to the airport. With an early morning flight at 5 a.m., we arrived well before time and treated ourselves to some comfort and refreshments at the domestic lounge. Thanks to our credit cards, entry was free, and we enjoyed the cozy seating and delicious food before boarding. By 8 a.m., we touched down in Delhi, ready to embrace the bustling city. Our first task was to navigate the metro system, a convenient and fast way to get around the capital. After acquiring our metro cards, we reached Delhi city center by 9 a.m., energized and eager for the day ahead. Since we had a night train to Jammu, we decided to lighten our load by leaving our luggage at the railway station's cloakroom. This simple decision allowed us to roam freely around Delhi without being burdened. A spiritual start at Akshardham Temple. We kicked off our sightseeing at the magnificent Akshardham Temple, arriving by 12:30 p.m. On the way, we stopped at Haldiram's cafe near the metro for a quick breakfast, which was both satisfying and energizing. The temple itself was nothing short of awe-inspiring. The intricate architecture, spiritual ambience, and serene surroundings left us spellbound. We spent hours exploring its beauty, marveling at the craftsmanship, and soaking in the divine energy. By 3:30 p.m., we completed our darshan, feeling blessed and uplifted. Delhi's historic and cultural marvels next, we headed to Qutub Minar, a historic landmark that embodies Delhi's rich history. The towering structure and its fascinating backstory transported us to a different era. From there, we raced against time to visit the Lotus Temple. Arriving just in time before its closing at 5:30 p.m., we experienced the temple's unique architecture and tranquil atmosphere. It was a new cultural experience for us, one that added a different flavor to our day. An evening at India Gate as the sun set, we made our way to India Gate. This iconic monument is especially enchanting in the evening, illuminated by lights and surrounded by lively crowds. The sight filled us with pride and a sense of connection to the country's history. However, exhaustion began to catch up with us. With our legs aching and energy drained, we hailed an auto rickshaw to the nearest metro station and made our way back to Delhi railway station. There, we retrieved our luggage and prepared for the next phase of our journey. Onward to Jammu at 10 p.m. We boarded our train to Jammu Tawi in a comfortable 3-tier AC coach. Our next destination, the Holy Vaishno Devi Temple. As the train rumbled on, carrying us closer to our spiritual goal, we reflected on the eventful day we'd had, one filled with adventure, spirituality, history, and the vibrant energy of Delhi.